Hey folks, Jeff Lundblad again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. I've got more of an instructional video here for you today. A lot of times you'll run into carded or boxed items that'll have a sticker on them, old price tag, etc., etc. And to just pick at these and just pull it off, more than likely you're going to damage the cardboard and take off part of the cardboard image. If you use a blow dryer to warm these up, it releases the adhesive and softens the adhesive, and you should be able to pull off a price tag or a label without damaging the box. I've done it many times. So I'm going to try to do that for you on video right now. The blow dryer is going to be a little loud, so I'll try to speak more loudly as I'm talking through it. But we'll go ahead and start that right now. There's our blow dryer. Let's see what happens. I'll leave that here for a second. And tilt the camera downward so you can see this as it happens. Now you need to do it for 30 to 60 seconds at least. And when it's ready, it'll just come up pretty easily. You don't want to force it because you're going to tear the cardboard. And you can see it's starting to release already. So again, it takes a little bit of time, but you want to be careful to be thorough, and it's going to be a little hot on your fingers. But you see how easily it's coming off now? And bang! Price tag is off. No damage to the box.